Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Do you want to display the total number of registered users in your WordPress website? Displaying the total number of registered users will encourage other people to register on your website. This is a very important feature for an e-commerce website, a membership website, or a community forum, or any website which involves lots of users. So for this, you need to install a plugin. So to do that, in your WordPress admin dashboard, hover onto plugins and then click on add new. Now in the search box, search for Simple Block Stats. We need to install this plugin. So let's click on activate. Now once the plugin is installed and activated, hover onto settings and then click on Simple Block Stats to configure this plugin settings. Now on this page, click on the shortcode to expand it. We need to search the shortcode for displaying the number of users. You can see the shortcode sub SBS_users with two text fields on both sides. Now these text fields contains HTML the plugin will add before and after the number of users. So the shortcode will generate the results something like this. Now as you can see that span class equals to SBS count users 856 and closing the span tag. So if you want to keep it simple, then just copy the same shortcode. You can also use it in the widgets if you want. Now let's hover onto post and then click on all posts. You can enter the code in any of the existing blog posts or create a new one. So we need to add a shortcode block here in our post editor. Then paste the shortcode here and then click on update file. Now once the file is updated, click on preview. You can see that the number of users are specified here. If you want to add some text here before the registered number of users, then move back to the post section, delete this block. Now add a custom HTML box here. In the box we have to enter the HTML code as ptag total users are, paste the shortcode here and then ptag close, and then you can replace this paste the shortcode with your actual shortcode. Now once you have done that, click on update file. Now once done, click on the preview and you can see that the text has been added here before the total number of users. So this is how you can easily show the total number of registered users in WordPress.
I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.